নৱম মানৰ সকলো ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীক আজি মই স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি দ্য ফান দে হেড পাৰ্টিৰ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ আলোচনা কৰিম। I welcome all the students of class 9. Let's start thinking about the text. Answer these questions in a few words or a couple of sentences each. Question number 1. How old are Margie and Tommy? Answer: Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13 years old. Question number 2. What did Margie write in her diary? Margie wrote in her diary, today 17 May 2157, Tommy found a real book. Question number 3. Had Margie ever seen a book before? Answer: no, Margie had never seen a book before. Question number 4. What things about the book did she find strange? Answer: the book had yellow and wrinkled pages. The words of the book were still. They did not move as the words move on the computer screen. She found these things strange. Question number 5. What do you think a telebook is? Answer: a telebook is an electronic book which can be read on a screen. Question number 6. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Answer: Margie's school was right next to her bedroom. She did not have any classmates. Question number 7. What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Answer: Margie and Tommy learned geography, history, arithmetic, etc. Answer the following with reference to the story. Question number 1. I wouldn't throw it away. Who says these words? What does it refer to? What is it being compared with by the speaker? Answer: Tommy says these words. 2. Answer: it refers to the television screen on which one could read over 1,000,000 books. 3. Answer: the speaker compares it with the paper books that Tommy found in his house. Question number 2. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. Who does they refer to? Question number 2. What does regular mean here? 3. What is it contrasted with? Answer: they refer to the students who studied in the old kind of school centuries before the time the story is set in. Question number 2. Answer: here regular refers to the mechanical teacher that Tommy and Margie had. Question number 3. Answer: it is contrasted with a human teacher. Answer each of these questions in a short paragraph, about 30 words. Question number 1. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Answer: Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers with large black screens that flashed lessons and questions. These teachers had slots where the students had to put their homework and test papers. Question number 2. Why did Margie's mother send for the country inspector? Margie's mother sent for the country inspector because it had been giving her test after test in geography and she had been doing worse and worse. So Margie's mother wanted to know the reason behind it. Question number 3. What did he do? The country inspector took apart the teacher and after examining it, assembled it again. He slowed up the geography sector of the teacher because it was geared up a little too quick for an average 10-year-old. Question number 4. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the country inspector do to help her? Margie was doing badly in geography because the geography sector of the mechanical teacher had been geared little too quick. The country inspector reset the geography sector to an average 10-year level. Question number 5. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Answer: Tommy's teacher was taken away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. He just enjoyed and relaxed during those days. Question number 6. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Answer. Yes, Margie had regular days and hours for school, except Saturday and Sunday, because her mother said that little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. Question number 7. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Answer. Tommy described the old kind of school as a specific place where children came and were taught by a human teacher. They studied the same subject and were taught uniformly. Question number 8. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? Answer. Tommy said that the old kind of teachers were men who taught the students inside a special building. The teachers taught the children in groups and gave them homework and also asked them questions. Answer each of these questions in 2 or 3 paragraphs, 100 to 150 words. What are the main features of the mechanical teacher and the schoolrooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? Answer. Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They had large black screen on which all the lessons were shown and questions were asked. They had a slot in which students had to put their homework and test papers. They had to write their answers in punch code and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks immediately. Their schools were in their own home itself. They did not have any classmates. They had regular days and hours for school. The mechanical teachers always turned on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday, because her mother said that little girls learn better when they learn at regular hours. Question number 2. Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Margie hated her school because she had a mechanical teacher. It was right next to her bedroom. She was supposed to sit in that room alone to complete her home tasks or assignments at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She thought that the old schools must have been fun because the students sat together in the classroom. They enjoyed, laughed, and shouted in the schoolyard and went home together after school. They also learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. Question number 3. Do you agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the school in the story? Give reasons for your answer. Yes, I agree that schools today are more fun than the school in the story. Children develop a better understanding about each other and their surroundings when they go to a school and interact with others. Also, if any student faces any problem with the subject in homework or emotional problem, he can discuss it with the teacher and other kids. Human teachers are more understanding and accommodating than mechanical ones that are programmed to teach in a specific way. The excitement in waiting for the marks scored in an exam is greater when one is sitting in a classroom with fellow students. It does not have the same effect when marks are calculated immediately after a test has been taken. Therefore, schools today are more fun than the school in the story, as they are more interactive and promote a healthier way of learning. Thank you.